This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Matt.herrick. Prepare to be wowed by this home built in 2019, conveniently located just minutes away from bases, beaches, shopping, and entertainment. Boasting 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and a spacious open floor plan with 10-foot ceilings, this home exudes modern elegance. With energy-efficient features and low-maintenance living, you'll enjoy both comfort and savings. Assumable loan at 3.25% rate with PITI of $1,742.97, loan balance $275,908. Call today for details. The 24th of June 2024. For more information, review the details below or contact Matt.herrick at 757